Hi guys, Arvind from CopperMobile. So here we turned on the tablet that has the application. It's running the MyLife Home application prototype. As you can see, as soon as we turn it on, that's the application that you see even before you unlock the phone. So Matthew, can we try that again? Turn it off and turn it on. So your phone is turned off, you turn it on, then immediately what comes is the MyLife Home application. So there are a few things that I wanted to show to you. The things are, there's a concept of workspace that we have. So the workspace is right here. This is, by dragging down, you can get to the workspace. The next concept I wanted to show was, on the images that are coming from the feeds, they're basically auto-scrolling, and you can flip to the right to go to the next one, and next one, and next one. Let's see here. The next thing I'd like to show is on some of the icons, there is the ink effect. So you see the icons of the contacts as well as the icons of the applications. There's an effect which is the ink effect. It's kind of like makes it a little bit cool looking, so you'll be able to see that more once perhaps you see the application in your hands. And if you can see, if we go to the home page, then there is the last application opened. So as you can see, the Chrome is the last application, and even when we go a little bit up, it shows that the Chrome application is there, and there's the effect that it saturates it and also takes you back to that last application. And if you turn off the phone and turn it on again, then boom, you come right to the MyLife application, and then again the last application opened comes up there. And you can see when we're going a little bit up, there's the rotation effect as well that I want to point out. So the rotation effect as well as making it saturated. The other thing I wanted to point out was the MyLife logo that comes up. So if you can turn it off and on again, Matthew.
I'll do this.
Okay. So now there's the animation of the MyLife that comes up. And again, we can work on the branding a little bit more as to how you want the colors of that, and if there needs to be a gradient in the back, so we can work on that. The next feature I wanted to show was, I want to point out how on every contact there is a notification on the top. What that means is that there are some messages that are there from the notification. Basically, you can tap on that, and of course, go to, the phone. You could go to email them, open up their Facebook comments, and things like that. The next thing that I'd like to show would be the folders for the apps and contacts. So you could you could have folders that save different contacts within this. And if you want to take an application, move it to that folder along with the contacts, you could do that too. So basically just the ability to make different folders, rearrange those, still within the folder, the ability to open that is what's shown in the prototype. As you see, as you drag one of the icons to the other one, it just automatically forms a folder with those 2 or 3 items. Next, I want to show you like the contacts, how we get to the contacts. So if you are able to, if you go right, so you see all of the contacts that exist here, and you could scroll up or down, and if you see a message, it's available right there. You tap on that, and immediately from there, go to Facebook or comments, things like that. But also you have the alphabets that you can go up and down to find the contact that you're looking for. So that's the contact feature. You have the ability to drag a contact, just hold, tap, drag it to the workspace as well. If there's a contact that you're frequently messaging with, you want it to be on your workspace, you could do that as well. Then you could put it in the folders, I guess, Matthew. Anything else on the contacts? I guess not.
Yes.
So we'll go to the apps that's on the left side, and these are similarly all of the applications that are there on the Android device, and you could go up or down, just scroll through the applications, or take one and drag it to the workspace. Same thing, you could also put it in folders and do stuff with it. You could also, with the alphabets, go up or down. So that's another thing that's implemented here in the launcher. The next thing that I'd like to show is removing an application from the workspace. So basically, if there's an application that you don't want it here, you just take it and throw it up, and boom, it's gone from the workspace as well. Another thing I'd like to comment on is the drag and drop functionality from the application. So there's a cool animation when you're dragging and dropping as well. That's about it. So this is basically all of what we have for this demo, guys. Hopefully you like it. Look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.